Hey, this is Michelle from Woolly Rhino Crafts, and I'm going to show you how to use duplicate stitch to give Mothman some nice red eyes, like you can see right here. Duplicate stitch is one of my favorite techniques. I don't like to carry more than one unused color when knitting, and duplicate stitch allows you to easily have more than two colors in a single row. It's also great if you want to make a solid colored hat or sweater and then have a small design on just one part. It'll keep the project stretchy. You'll need a yarn needle and then a length of yarn in whatever color, red in this case. This length of yarn is about 40 inches. It's enough to do 2 sets of eyes. You don't want it too long because you'll end up with tangles. Knitting is a bunch of little V's. And to get started, you will want to insert your yarn needle from behind in the bottom of a V. And just like that. I try to work from right to left, then left to right, and alternate for each row, and I work from the bottom up. Don't forget to leave a little tail of a few inches behind to weave in later. I hold on to it with my left hand for the first stitch. Now, insert the needle behind the V above the stitch that you're working. And then insert it back down into the bottom of that V. And this is going to be one completed duplicate stitch. Now just repeat for the next one. Insert in the bottom of the V to begin. And then behind the two arms of the V in the stitch above. Duplicate stitch is also cool for if you make a whole thing and then discover that you messed up a stitch or two. Rather than ripping it completely apart, you can use duplicate stitch to correct it. It might take a little bit of practice to get your tension right. You want to make sure that your duplicate stitch yarn covers the stitch under it correctly. I poke around with my needle and fingers and get it all situated and lined up to make it look consistent and like these are the original stitches. And now, here I go, working from left to right to do this second row. And you do it the exact same way, you're just working in the other direction. I'm doing a better job staying in the frame. Awesome. And now we are done with this set of Mothman eyes. Ta-da! And you can cut your yarn And again, of course, leave a tail of a few inches to weave in. And if you would like the complete Mothman hat pattern, you can find it below in the description, along with some other pertinent links. And, of course, thank you for watching, and happy knitting. Happy duplicate stitching, specifically. Have a great day.